Hello everyone, Rahul this side. Just wanted to share a thought. I'm on a solo trip to Vietnam, day 6 of my stay here. I've been staying in different hostels since obviously I'm traveling across different places. I started with Ho Chi Minh, then Da Nang, and now I'm in Hoi An. And I plan to cover up further north to Hanoi, Sapa, and then take a flight back home. So I still have 7 to 8 days left, but looking at the variety of options this place has to offer, it's sometimes you feel that even 2 weeks is lesser time to explore the entire country, at least the natural locations, mountains and beaches, which I'm pretty much a fan of. So I wanted to share that sometimes the itinerary planning and a rush to complete all the location seems so overwhelming, and it could be just like rushing to explore the new places just for the sake of marking your attendance, but not actually staying there and exploring the beauty and the local culture. So as I'm processing it, as I'm expressing that, so I think the balance would be to not rush for everything, just explore the good bits of it, which I'm finding very pretty and beautiful and calm, soothing, relaxing, meeting good people along the way. If I feel spending more time with them, even drop a touristy spot just to spend a couple of time with the people you are able to connect with, of course, which you don't get very often back home. So when I came to Hoi An, I planned to cover Hue as well. Watching the videos, it's mostly historical stuff. History lovers, very old forts and rich culture of Vietnam. So I decided to keep it. I'm currently going to the very secluded beach from Hoi An, 5-kilometer walk. So that's it. So the motto is not to chase everything, but spend a good quality, enjoyable time at selected locations which you feel worth it, and which will stay with you for the long time, except covering everything and just having a very tiny bit of that place which you won't cherish at all. So thanks.